Students, in previous video we learned about how to select or retrieve data from a table. In this video we will continue with select command of MySQL, but we will use select command with another additional clause called where clause. So in this video we are going to learn how to use select with where. So basically where clause is used to filter selected data or resultant data of our table. How this filter works, what is the use of this filter, let's see. If we go through the syntax of select with where clause, here we can see we have three different clauses in a select command. The first clause is select itself, second clause is from, and third clause is where. First clause select specifies which field of our existing table should be displayed in our resultant table, like field 1 or field 2 and field 3. So whatever field you want to display, here we will use field name in front of select clause of select command. From clause, as I told you before, will always specify from which table these fields should be selected. From clause always specify table name from where these field names should be selected. Now the third clause where clause specify a particular criteria or filter on a condition, like where field name is equal to value, or it may have certain condition like where department is equal to IT. That means if somebody wants to display list of all employees from IT department only, then where clause will help it out in this way. Select field names like ID, name, department and salary. From table name means these field names should be from this table employee, EMP. Where, here where clause is a filter which specify display ID, name, department and salary of only those employees for which department is equal to IT. That means where condition is basically restricting, there is a restriction that department of IT employees should be displayed, other employees from other departments should not be displayed. So here where clause is basically used to provide a conditional restriction, or we can say it actually used to perform a filtration of our data, how to filter data. So here if where clause is absent, if where clause is not here, then your query will result all the departments, all the employees. But where clause is restricting employees from only a specific department, and that is IT department in this case. Similarly, you can also use where clause to display filter according to salary, like where salary is equal to 40,500. That means list of only those employees who are getting salary equal to 40,500 rupees. You may have certain other relational operators, like if you want to display list of employees getting salary more than 40,000 or more than 40,500, then we can use where salary greater than 40,500. So basically select clause, from clause and where clause have following purpose. I'm repeating, select clause is used to identify which column or which field you want to display. From clause is used to specify from which table we need these fields, and where clause is used to identify among these fields which condition should be satisfied. So where clause always have a certain condition. It may be like field name equal to this, or salary equal to a particular salary, or salary greater than a particular salary, or salary less than a particular salary. So in this way select, from and where combinedly used to filter data according to requirement of a user. Now we will have a live demo of where clause in our MySQL database management system. So to perform live demo, As usual, we will start our MySQL server, and as you know that password for MySQL server here is ABC123, which is same as our school lab. So first of all, I need to connect my database name is org1, and then I can use select with where clause. Since we have a table called employee, so first of all I would like to display you all the records in our table, and to display all the record we can use select star from table name that we have discussed in our previous video. Now in this table I would like to display only employees detail having department as IT, means only employees from IT department should be displayed. So in this case I need to use select clause with where clause, select command with where clause. So here the command will be select ID name department salary. You can use all the field names, or you can also use select asterisk, which will denote that all field names will be included here. From table name EMP. Now we need employee detail with ID name department and salary of only IT department, therefore we need to provide a conditional statement here in front of where clause, which is like where department is equal to IT. So while pressing enter or terminating this query or executing this query, I am getting this result, means out of these 10 records I am getting only those 3 records for which employee is having department as IT. So this is basically the purpose of where clause, to restrict list of result table according to a particular conditional statement. Here conditional statement is where department is equal to IT. You can also provide this condition on any column, like for department we are using, you can also use this condition on salary. Like if you want to display salary of those employees getting salary more than 50,000 rupees, then you can use where clause on salary column, like this one, select star for all columns from EMP, which specify from which table you need to display result table, where salary greater than 50,000, enter. So here we get list of all employees getting salary more than 50,000. So out of these 10 employees, only those employees getting salary more than 50,000 will be displayed in our result table. So this is how a where clause basically works.